Ever been in an elevator and suddenly felt that tickle in your nose? So what do? Do you hold it in and risk your brain exploding? Or do you let it out and become the elevator pariah? Option 1. Hold it in. You're turning red. Your eyes are watering. You look like you're auditioning for a horror movie. But hey, no one's glaring at you. Yet. Option 2. Let it out. Ah! Shoo! The sound echoes. Everyone's staring. Someone's clutching their handbag a little tighter. You might get a meme out of it, but is it worth the shame? So what's the verdict? Hold it in and suffer in silence, or sneeze and face the awkward aftermath? What would you do? Comment below. Let's see how many brave souls we've got here.